My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Kia Sportage. This vehicle has done just under 39,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access map, navigation, our button settings, radio, media, setup and climate control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.